following program is a production of Hoʻike Kauai Community Media. Aloha, Kauai! We're shaking things up and moving things around here at Hoʻike. A big change is this show. In 2 weeks, the Hoʻike Weekly's community calendar will be shifting to a newsletter, making it more accessible to you and easier to get details from. The newsletter version of Hoʻike's community calendar will provide you with links to each of the events scheduled, both commercial and nonprofit, so you can peruse at your leisure and take it on the go with you. But we're not quite there yet. So until then, we've still got some events right now to tell you about coming up on Kauai this week. I'm Trisha Allen, and this is the Hoʻike Weekly. As always, this week's community calendar is stuffed, so there's a lot of details, and luckily, you don't have to worry about missing any of them. We've put all the info you need in one spot, and you can get there by scanning the QR code on your screen. We've also added a link to sign up for the community calendar events newsletter, so that once we do switch over, you'll get all the same info you're used to automatically sent to your inbox. Here's all of Kauai's upcoming events happening September 15th through the 21st. A group called the Kauai Brain Injury Support Circle is a compassionate community space for individuals living with acquired brain trauma or injury. This could include damage suffered from a stroke, concussion, lack of oxygen, or head trauma. The Kauai Brain Injury Group provides a safe and supportive environment where participants can connect, share, and heal together on the third Monday of every month at Hale Līhuʻe. This month's meeting is on Monday, September 15th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and it's a great place for people to share experiences without judgment, discuss recovery after injury, learn about activating the parasympathetic nervous system, and explore nutrition as well as breath work, all in an effort to help with everyday brain wellness. No registration is required, and the event is open to the public. The planning department will hold their third focused workshop on Tuesday, September 16th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. at Samuel Mahelona Memorial Hospital in Kapa'a. The workshop is part of a long-range planning initiative addressing housing, transportation, infrastructure, climate resilience, and cultural resource protection. The focus for this workshop is parks, recreation, and economic development. Dinner will be provided, and materials for those who are unable to attend in person will be available online. The Kauai Chamber of Commerce is set to host a business pauhana at the Hilton Garden Inn, Kauai, Wailua Bay on Thursday, September 18th. This networking event runs from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and will feature pupus, cocktails, and prize giveaways with kaho okele passes eligible for use. Registration for this event is required. Technology takes center stage on Wednesday, September 17th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the Agency on Elderly Affairs Pi'ikoi Building Conference Room in Līhuʻe. This relaxed Tech Talk story explores storage and the cloud, helping Kūpuna understand how storage is measured and managed on digital devices. Participants can bring iPhones, iPads, Androids, or laptops for hands-on learning in a supportive setting. The afternoon also features a round of fraud bingo to highlight ways to spot scam emails, texts, and calls in a fun and interactive way. The Kauai Rural Health Association is hosting the third annual Ola Pono o Kauai conference on Friday, September 19th from 9 a.m. until 3 p.m. at the Kauai Community College Performing Arts Center in Līhuʻe. This year's theme explores mental health through the lifespan with speakers, exhibits, and hands-on activities. A catered lunch will include a chance to visit the lo'i on campus with time to enjoy the meal picnic style on chairs or blankets. Malama Kauai is bringing 3 days of connection and learning around food and Aina by hosting the 2025 Kauai Food Systems Summit from September 19th through the 21st. On Friday the 19th, things kick off with an online talk story session focused on the Kauai Food Access Plan 2030. Then Saturday and Sunday move into island-wide workshops and workdays, where participants engage directly with the land and the people who grow and share food in the community. The summit highlights the future of food on Kauai through conversation, hands-on practice, and collaboration. Reservations are required for these events, which are open to the public. Every third Saturday of the month, the National Tropical Botanical Garden adopts out plants at their Grow Aloha event, and their next event is scheduled for September 20th. This event is open to the public and will take place at 2 locations, one on the North Shore at the Limahuli Garden and Preserve, and the other on the South Side at Allerton and McBryde Garden. Celebrating 50 years of taiko drumming, Kenny Endo brings his golden 2x25 tour to the Porter Pavilion in Kīlauea on Saturday, September 20th. Doors open at 5:30 p.m. with music beginning at 6:30 p.m. Endo performs with his contemporary ensemble blending taiko with jazz, funk, Afro-Cuban, Hawaiian, and traditional Japanese influences. The evening is part of the Concerts with a Cause series at Anainaho Community Park. Pavilion seating is first come, first served, while lawn seating allows chairs or blankets. Arts Kauai presents an evening of original music on Sunday, September 21st from 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. at the Kauai Community College Performing Arts Center. Doors open at 6 p.m. with refreshments available. The night features Grammy-winning songwriter Ken Emerson, known for his mastery of slack key and steel guitar, alongside Eli Smart, whose Aloha Soul blends Hawaiian lap steel with British-inspired grooves. Additional musicians include Pat Crockett, Bill Dick, Poncho Graham, Kirby, Will Lydgate, and Chris Whiteroot. Oldies Rock and Roll meets Funk at the Poʻipū Beach Pavilion on Saturday, September 20th from 6:30 p.m. till 9 p.m. Dirk Debonair and the Golden Nuggets join forces with Da Funk for a night of music and dancing under the stars. The concert is open to all ages and takes place right across from Breneke's Beach in Poʻipū. Families and friends can bring beach chairs or blankets and enjoy the evening together. If you have not already heard by now, due to recent cuts in federal spending, many public media stations will be left without the resources that they need to continue. Now, I'm sure I don't have to tell you how important local public media is to the community here on Kauai. Stations like KKCR are a perfect example of how public local media is an essential means of support. They're always getting the information our community needs out to everyone that needs to hear it. And unfortunately, they are also one of the stations that are greatly affected by this federal cut in spending. But now, the local community here on Kauai can show their support by checking out KKCR's website, that's kkcr.org, and see all the ways in which they can help. And because KKCR is always deeply connected to our local community, they will be taking to the road with a pop-up broadcast residency at Hale, Līhuʻe during the week of September 15th. The series features local talent and community voices. All right, Kauai, that's all the ho'ike we have for you this week. Don't forget to scan our QR code to sign up for our community calendar events list, as well as get any details you may have missed in today's episode. Remember to have fun this week, and we'll catch you next week for more. I'm Trisha Allen, wishing you love and aloha.